night.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Randolph County in east central Alabama, southeastern Cleburne County, and east central Alabama until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Redburn, or 12 miles north of Wadawi, moving south at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wadawi, Lake Wadawi, Redburn, Woodland, Morrison Crossroads, Foster's Crossroads, Corinth, Graham, Newell, Farrell, Harris Dam, Ophelia, Napoleon, Tennant, Trickham, Nicodome, and Big Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northeast